What is that? What is... Oh.
Chicken?
It's a chicken? Okay, what do we have here? It's an egg.
Oh my god.
I will become your mother. I wish someone would say that to me.
Very kind of her.
Use foam sheets. Okay.
From what?
I don't know. What are they making?
I don't know. It's like that kind of thing where you can grow up some, you know.
So they're gonna. That's like
eggs.
the home of the chicken.
Yes, I forget how.
That doesn't seem very free range, you know. It's not a lot of space.
But it's just to, you know, to warm up. It's just a
incubate.
warm place. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Incubation is 21 days. Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah. Well.
That's about the time that I was, you know, in the oven for.
What was that? 19 days or 19 weeks?
Said, yeah, something like that. Weeks, I think. Okay, and now we have life.
Live.
It's alive.
Whoa.
Well,
Look at this, kid.
terrifying. Really scary.
Well, for me, it's good. What about you? Was it cute or was it terrifying?
Okay. Aw. Look, chickadee. What's up? Yeah.
Wow, that's so cute.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh, okay, we're getting some tree sap.
Okay.
Pine resin, we're heating it up. Do you ever find like amber? Like not real amber, but like the really thick sap that like has stuff still in it?
No, I'm not sure.
Because when I was a kid once, I like found a bug that was literally inside the amber.
Ah, yeah, I saw.
It was pretty cool.
I mean, there is also some butterflies things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I never destroyed. Once I growed up the butterfly.
Nice. Yeah, same in school.
And she just flied away. And I was sad.
And then she died 13 days later. Sorry.
You're so bad person.
Maybe I think they might live longer. I don't know. Let us know down below.
That's true. I mean, they're not living for long.
Yeah.
But why? You was need to say it.
I didn't have to say it. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have a
my
log
trouble.
cabin for your butterfly.
Okay, it's a wood house.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, is it for some creature?
I think they're gonna put a creature in it. Clay and hay. Okay.
Oh.
If you say so.
Yeah. Okay. It's like
I could play with the idea.
It's like the old technique.
Yeah.
Like the roof and everything. Yeah.
It's like in Ireland and England they have like the turf roofs, which are made of like really like weird material that they find at the bottom of swamps.
Okay.
And it's really good for insulation.
So, but they mixing with this with dry grass or something.
I think so, yeah. But you know, it takes I don't know, like 100 years for more turf to be made. So they're actually running out now of turf. So hopefully they
waste
stop
everything.
using it so much.
Okay, but I guess in our days it's not really needed.
Yeah. Ooh, this is a nice idea.
Yeah.
Just put some glue and then put a little bit of that weird stuff. Looks like
Yeah,
nice
and
grass.
you can lift it up with some You can make them
Go straight up.
straight up. Yeah. Well, okay.
I love it.
Nice, I love it too.
It looks real almost.
Is it for birds? Or,
It's for squirrels!
Oh, nice.
That's a cute ass squirrel.
Wow.
I'll take 5. Thank you.
Nice.
I like its little ears.
Mm.
And birds. This is a home for all.
Yeah.
Except bears. I would have a hard time getting in.
They can fill it.
Yeah. Just their nose.
Do something funny.
Okay.
Yeah, we good. To take the egg from the chicken.
No.
It's
Have you?
Yes, I did, and they kind of can bite you, and they
I
usually
bet they would, yeah.
Yes, they protect their eggs.
Okay, well that's kind of sad actually.
Yes.
Now I'll feel bad every day when I'm eating my omelet.
Only now?
Yep.
Okay, dog.
Okay, so this is kind of a cool little cage for an animal. I'm wondering what kind of animal it will be.
That's kind of weird.
It is weird.
I mean, what kind of animal could be there?
It's not for chickens. It could be for giraffes.
Yes.
Hmm.
For one part of.
Yeah, just the one leg.
Yes. Oh, nice.
That's very comfortable. Right. Okay.
Something happened with us.
I
In
think
our
so. I think
imagination,
so.
we just broke.
And it has a fence on the top. It has a balcony. Wow.
Wow. Anyway.
So, what are we putting? Guinea pigs?
Mm-hmm.
Or chickens again? Is this all chickadees? It's got corn in it. What eats corn? Bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits.
I thought that you were joking around, like.
No! Bunny
Yes.
rabbits!
Yes, it was obvious.
Boom! I didn't think it was obvious. Did you guys know? Were you guys playing
Yeah.
me from the start?
Was it obvious for you?
Let us know.
Let us know.
I like bunnies. They're kind of aggressive though. And they have big teeth.
They can bite you as well.
Yeah.
Every,
worth it.
any animal can bite you.
Clay
Again.
with hay.
Same technique.
Mm-hmm.
As in the miniature.
We've seen it before, but I'll stay. Okay. So we're making another home. This time, it's more appropriate for people.
Yes. I guess it's for chicken or something.
Ah, yes.
Maybe.
Or small people.
Come on.
I meant like kids. I didn't mean like that. Sorry. Oopsie doopsie. Don't cancel me yet.
He has an idea.
Yeah, I have. We all have a way out. We have an exit strategy. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
You gotta come with a plan. If it's gonna happen one way or another, it might as well be on your own terms. Okay, nice. So it looks like there's a little area for something to get in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking maybe like a cat shed.
Oh. What? Excuse me?
A shed for cats.
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Okay. It's your idea.
It could be boring for chickens, but I feel like they should switch it up and have it be a cat shed.
I'm not sure if it's kind of okay for better. I don't know. I don't know.
Cats
I'm
can do anything.
confused.
Like cats just do everything, so I feel like they'd be fine with it. They like comfier stuff though.
And it's some powder.
Also for cats.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, a cat flower pot.
Yeah, they love them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, more flowers. And a chicken.
See, winged cats.
I don't know.
You okay?
I'm dying.
Fresh eggs. Okay, so you just whoop
Whoop. And
straight into the button and out. Except the teethless shepherd. Oh, this dog has his legs are messed up.
oh.
Okay, so it looks like we're trying to make something to fix that.
Like
Some kind of like wheel or something.
yeah.
Or like
Chair,
an extra
chair
leg.
on the wheel for dogs, for animals, you know.
Yeah.
I saw some of them, like it's connected to the dog,
Mhm.
and there is some wheels and help them
To move around,
to
yeah.
move around. It's very, very nice
In
that it exists in general.
yeah, in the video game Far Cry 6, you can have an animal companion who has it's a tiny little baby like Chihuahua type thing, and it has its back legs are wheels.
Okay.
So
Wow.
it has no back legs, so that it has little wheels and it can like help you defeat enemies and stuff. It's very fun. Okay, so we're making
Dog.
some leather. I guess that's the strap for it,
Oh, yeah.
like to
it's
go
a
on the
strap,
dog,
yeah.
I guess.
Okay, so homemaker.
Eyelets.
Okay.
Milo. Aw, Milo. Yeah.
I thought it's anything.
It does kind of look like Me 10.
Me 10.
Maybe they just didn't have an L.
Okay.
All right, so we have this. Not too bad. All right, Milo, it's time. Pupper. Oh, he's a good boy. You can tell he's a good boy. Oh.
That's kind of sad anyway.
Yeah. It looks like it's helping a bit.